And I'm back before part 5. And my brother is basically helping me fix it. Okay, now I'm going to do something. Okay, hello, you see. I'm going to show you this really giant cup because I didn't get a nice view of it. See, it's really giant, isn't it? And this house also.
Let me take one for my me and my mother.
My grandfather is here. Basically, I'm in a coffee factory. If you remember, there's kind of spinning thing over there, but you can't really see it. Okay. Okay, my mom and my grandmother were taking photos, so never mind that.
You also take it.
Okay, look at this statue. Dr. Yun something, I forgot the name. But it's okay. See, there's this ancient painting on the wall next door.
So fun.
Basically, we're in Ipoh, Taipei. My brother is over here, if you remember. Say hi, Ivan. Hello. Okay, there's a Chinese sign over here because I am a Chinese. And then we're going to our car. Look, there's this gigantic puddle. See? The painting's beautiful, isn't it? And this sign says, "Welcome to Taipei." Look, the bamboo tree, and if you can see some small pigeons over there. Oh, nearly stepped in a puddle. Okay, I'm gonna get in the car. Okay. At the back of the car was my brother. Okay, I'm sitting in the back of the car. Hello, this is my maid. This is the whole car. Everybody's getting in. This is Ivan. Hello. Okay. See, he has a phone. He took a video. Do you guys want to see it? Ivan, show them to funny. Okay. See, he accidentally. There's a bit of chatting. Sorry for that. Okay, and that's the end of the video. Brother check. Basically, he's taking slow-mo of my mom. Okay, we're gonna go to another place. Okay. I think we're going home. Bye, guys.